Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Rotary Orchid Club Shillong City hakakhan nyotrik unailur arhasar arpusan kelasam yak hukusnam Nation Builders Award 2025 Shaki arngut Nonghikai bapau khmat kachala isoma bahata charya naka 7 set skul Shillong but ikong sham phanglin khadosau na berki government upper primary school West Khasi Hills. Yakni kaching aikusnam lapenlong ha PTG College Shillong hakaba uba Riki Eche Sengkan UMP ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat ulalong ukongsan. Layadon langru I President Chongka Rotary Orchid Club Shillong City I Dr. Mary Ann Jerwa I Secretary Dr. Rima V Dingdo lembat kidkhot ka kenhuan Rotary. Hakajingkren kum ukongsan uba Riki Eche Sengkan ula ai khublai kerpang ya Nonghikai ke balasa penkup buram. Ula ong ba Nonghikai kidai kinong te ya kalawai chongka imlang saalang. Ula penpauru bakani ke khusnam kadai ban penslur ya kiwai pat Nonghikai bantre sitom na kabanta kapuli puthi bat karoi kapar chongka cela. Kan Nation Builders Award kadai kabasuk penlong man usnam da Rotary Club ban ai buram ya Nonghikai kibatri hok bat kiba ai jing hikai da ka jing sa'nia bat ka mons ngobha ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi ha ka chella bat kari.
To get this Nation Builder Award, I didn't expect for me as a teacher have in Berkeley Government School. I would like to thank also my friends from Berkeley who are here with us today. My brother also. I have not prepared anything to give a speech and also to start Dr. Ricky Ejesukam. This is the first time I met you face to face. So thank you so much, sir, for this time. One thing I would like to share with you, especially for me as a teacher in Berkeley Government School. The students keep on motivating me every time. They don't want to be absent from school because of me, and I don't want to be absent from school because of them. That is the main thing. They used to call me when I'm not in school. At night they call me, "Where is sir?" And they said that they feel like an orphan when I'm not in school. So this keep on motivating me to be in school, and I try not to be absent from school. That is the main thing. And I have this is the only mission as a teacher to work with them. I saw the smiling face when they are in the classroom and they enjoy learning. I like what I saw in my students. So I have not prepared anything for this speech. So thank you.
Bless you and use you to be a child of blessing to many more students. And to all our distinguished guests and friends. Well, I stand here before you this evening with a profound sense of honor and humility. Well, to be invited as the chief guest in this evening function of the Nation Builder Award ceremony. But to me, it's not just a privilege, let me tell you, but it is a reminder of the sacred responsibility that we all share in shaping the destiny of our society. And this evening, we celebrate the true architects of our nation. Here we have the two who have proved themselves, and of course, I know there are a few others, including myself, standing here. I entered the field of politics, but I remain a teacher. I'll continue to teach, and I continue to do so every time that I meet people. To all the Rotarians present here this evening, and all Rotarians all over the world. I would say that you and your organization, you have embodied this very spirit for over a century. With a global family of 1.2 million members, and I believe to many around the world, it's not just an organization, it is a movement. A movement that has dared of a world without polio, a world with clean water, better health, and greater dignity for every human being. In this great nation of ours, India, you have been at the heart of countless transformation, uplifting school, healing communities, empowering women, and reaching places where help is most needed. And even in this beloved state of ours, Meghalaya, you and your sister club, you have shown that real change is possible when service is combined with vision. From supporting teachers and students to ensuring clean water and livelihood, your presence in this state of ours is a reminder that service is not an act. It is not an act, but it is a way of life. So thank you so much to each and every member of the Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong, and to all you all throughout the world, please pass this message for what you have done, and I believe that there are much more that you will be doing and that you can do. So thank you so much. Well, dear friends, we live in an age where the world is changing faster than ever before. Technology is advancing. Economies are shifting. Societies are evolving. Yet, I would say that amidst all these changes that we see, one truth remains eternal. And that truth is this, that a nation can rise, I would say, no higher than the quality of its teachers. Buildings may crumble, policies may change, so also governments. But one thing I know for sure, that the impact of a teacher lasts across generations. This is a fact. This evening, the Nation Builder Award ceremony is not simply a mere recognition, but I would say it is a salute to our teachers, and this evening to the two teachers, and their quiet heroism, which is the unseen sacrifices, the patience, the resilience, and of course the unwavering faith that you invest in the lives of young people. In every classroom, with every lesson, you are not just teaching. You are igniting hope, sowing the seeds of knowledge and information, wisdom, courage, and thus shaping the future of many, many young minds. I stand here without an iota of doubt, or I would say with an element of certainty, that Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong, reaffirm a profound truth, that is, teachers are not just instructors. They are nation builders. They are the moral compass of our democracy, the guardians of knowledge, and the torchbearers of hope. But then let me also say this, that when we talk about nation building, Nation building is never the work of one profession or one organization alone. It is a shared journey. Teachers, well, you have planted seeds of wisdom and knowledge, but let me say this, it is for the family, the community, and leaders to also be part of nurturing those seeds that teachers have planted. Well, dear friends, if we are to dream, say our Meghalaya that is vibrant, inclusive, and progressive, then I would say that we must walk hand in hand. When we come together as educators, citizens, policymakers, everyone who are part and parcel of the state, I would say to work and to support organizations such as
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!